What it do, YouTube? What it do? I am here. I'm back with another one, y'all. I'm back with another one. Ride along videos part 2. You know what I'm saying? Get with me, rock with me. You know what it is. We taking these women on rides in my boosted scat pack. I'm doing women on this segment because, of course, you know it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I got to show the ladies some love because the things that they got to go through is no joke, and everybody know breast cancer is no joke. So this ride along segment is dedicated to October and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I hope y'all enjoy. Here goes some more ride along videos. Let's get it.
Is it a strength?
Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets. Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets.
Like, comment, subscribe, rock with your boy. Let's get it.
It's tough times.
Very tough times, I understand that.
Yeah.
Definitely understand that.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Oh my god, they're turning. Oh my god. The turning's probably gonna give me more anxiety than you going. It's really nice effect. Oh dear. It's not. So is it loud out there though? Is it? Yeah.
People say it's loud, but
I know when you when you drove by my mom that time. My mom about had a heart attack. She literally about had a heart attack. Oh, whoa, what's that noise?
downshifted.
Whoa.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Holy shit! Am I allowed to cuss? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is insane.
That's what I was
What do you do that with the kids in the car? Do they just like,
They love it.
oh my god. I'm sure they do. After we went to the park that day and you passed us on the on-ramp, the kids were like, yeah! That is crazy.
I said I wasn't gonna do more than 60, but that was
What? No way. Really?
yeah.
Well, we should do it one more time. That was crazy.
One more time.
Or maybe not. I don't know. You tell me. Oh my god. You know how to control it, right? You're not gonna kill me. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, don't hit that car. God. Whoa. Whoa. You know I don't even ride roller coasters, right?
That was
No. That is insane. Oh my god, my heart is like... Oh my gosh.
you're right. Right.
Right.
No. Gotta be cool.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
I'm not supposed to warn you. That's the whole point of the video.
Oh, shoot.
That's what I wanted. That's all I wanted right there.
That was it? That was the money shot?
That was the money shot. There you have it. Ride along too. I appreciate the ladies for agreeing to riding with me and going on a little wild ride, just a little bit. So I appreciate them, and also doing that. It is October Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I want to shout out all the women who have dealt with breast cancer and who has beat breast cancer, and also shout out the ones who didn't make it. So this one's for y'all, and I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, rock with your boy, and let's go.